This stunning Milwood Charmer has undergone a complete top-to-bottom renovation, preserving all the charm characteristic of Milwood living with its hardwood floors and cove ceilings. Boasting replacement windows, a radon system in place, and inclusive appliances and blinds throughout, this home offers both style and functionality. The spacious kitchen is a standout feature, with its oversized layout, white cabinetry, stainless appliances, exposed brick, and open shelving, perfect for both cooking and entertaining. The separate dining area easily accommodates large gatherings, while the oversized living room exudes warmth and brightness, showcasing refinished hardwood floors and cove ceilings. The main floor bedroom offers comfort and natural light, complemented by ample closet space. Adjacent, the updated family bath features exquisite custom tile work. Upstairs, 2 generously sized bedrooms with great closet space await, along with a remodeled second full bath for convenience. Cedar closets, custom built-ins, and ample attic storage complete the upper level. With a basement ready to meet all your storage needs, and its close proximity to parks, dining,